Welcome to another segment called Lo barato sale caro. Today's topic is about flat rate pricing versus time and material pricing. When you're dealing with plumbers or anyone in the service industry, you want to make sure that you determine which rate you want to go with. Some companies offer both, some just offer one style of pricing. This is important because they give you a price for a job. You want to make sure that if something else comes along the line or they just start taking a longer time to do the same job, they don't keep on charging you more money. So it's very important, any service person that you're dealing with, whether it be in AC, plumbing, electrical, you definitely want to get a price up front for the job that needs to get done. If you get a time and material scenario, that person may take their sweet time and they're just charging you per hour. Sometimes it might sound more attractive because it sounds like a lower amount than just having a big number that covers for the whole job. But you want to weigh that option depending on the job that you have. I always recommend getting a flat rate up front for the specific job. If once that job is completed and there's a bigger scenario or another job that needs to be done, you should do the same thing and create a price for that job now. Each job should have a flat rate and people need to stick to that number, and the time that if they take longer to figure it out, well, that's on them. You know, so they need to understand each job has a amount of time that it takes to complete, and they need to abide by that time and that price for that job. I hope this helped you out to make a decision when you're coming up with different estimates for the job that needs to get done. Thank you. If you like the video, please leave comments below if you agree. And also, if you like the video, hit the like button. It helps us out. Thank you.